All right, update on the project, and the telescope is on the left. Today we're trying to test the Azimuth motorization. This is the motor group, and the first thing we're going to do is to slide in this group into one of the leg of the supporting system. Now, I slide into the shaft of this little shaft that is connected to the roller with a flexi joint that we are now going to secure with an Allen screw. After that, we are going to power it up with a simple DC current. We are not looking for any PWM, so no big torque. This is just to check that the whole thing is mechanically and electrically working, and it works. See the belt that is spinning. Now we have a motor that you cannot see because it's under, that is connected to a belt, reducer, and a roller. This in total is a 1 to 200 reduction. The roller is a little bit like this. This is an old video. So we have two tiny roller bearings and the shaft, the small shaft, and this ball bearing that now is not a ball bearing anymore, is a roller because it has been epoxied, so it's solid, and the shaft is gonna go through that and it's gonna be glued to that. And this is the final result. So it works somehow, and overall is 1 to 200 ratio of that reduction. Next, we are going to flip these around so that the roller is gonna get in contact with the track. So it's a friction motion. The roller drives the motion onto the track. The black track that you see at the edge of the azimuth table. These are the three legs. You see the three feet. So this setup is actually upside down. Then can you see the rollers? No, it's very bad. You can see the track, but it's very hard to see the roller. The rollers are bearing. One is driving, the one that we saw before, that is glued and epoxied, and the other two are actually three bearings together that are rolling under these legs. You see here how it is set up. Figure it out that it is upside down, so when this is working, it's gonna be actually flip around. There was a little bit of jittering, and the reason is this flexi joint that is too flexy. I'm gonna need to fix it somehow.